Morning come, I know the snooze, I dey feel the breeze. New day, new grace, I dey need, I dey pray for ease.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video and I have a new wig from Unice and they are available on Amazon Prime. If you guys are interested, I'll be sure to link all the details and links in the info section below. But I did pick up this new wig and this is a part of their new upgraded wig line. So this is their Bye Bye Slip Afro Kinky Curly with finger coil ends human hair lace wig. This is what it looks like. Y'all do notice those little finger coils towards the front. I have had a variation of this unit before. The finger coils were just towards the ends, but I do notice that these finger coils kind of go more so up the shaft. So again, this will be a part of their upgraded wig line. Now this unit does have the 7x5 inch lace. The knots are bleached. They do have the pre-plucked hairline as well as their upgraded cap, which features this new upgraded adjustable elastic strap, which lays extremely flat and seamless. It also has the upgraded anti-slip, making it slip resistant, as well as the new invisible drawstring for added security, and it also provides a custom fit. So here is what the wig looks like. I still kind of don't know what I'm going to do with those finger coil ends. However, I'm going to go ahead and prep this wig so I can wear it tomorrow. Now I like to start off with just prepping the hairline. I'm spritzing that down using a little bit of water, going in with a little bit of my wet line extreme gel. Gonna apply that onto one of my edge brushes and just slick everything back. Then I applied a little bit of my foamy wrap mousse, again slicking everything back. Then I'm going to follow that up by applying my elastic edge band, and I'm going to allow that just to sit overnight and dry and get nice and set. So then I'm going to go in using some more water, more of my foamy wrap mousse all over the hair, and I'm just going to work on defining the curls in the back. I didn't touch the finger coil just yet because I still was unsure what I'm going to do with it, but for the most part I was just going to finger coil the very back of the hair to where it can kind of resemble the front. So I'm taking small pieces where the curls want to naturally separate, and I'm applying a little bit of my foamy wrap mousse followed by a little bit of my gel, and I am just finger coiling them so I can get some nice definition.
No need to hide, let your light shine wide. No be magic, not consistency, I they tell you true. Not persistence, it go see you through. We go rise like the sun every single morning. No time for morning, new chapter is forming. This Afro beat reading me, they carry my soul. Taking back the power, making me whole. Yeah, keep that flow.
So this is the next day. I just let the wig sit and dry overnight, and this is what it looks like. There was a bit of a cast on the hair. You can easily break that off by just scrunching the hair in your hands. Now I will be using a little bit of my Fenty foundation just to tint the lace to where I can get a nice meltable coverage. Still haven't touched those little finger coils. However, I do have an idea what I want to do with them. So first I'm going to go ahead and just throw on my stocking cap, get that one on. I did adjust the little adjustable band inside the unit to where I can get a nice custom fit. Gonna go ahead and get this wig on. Y'all trust the process. I promise you guys it's gonna come together. But now I am adjusting the drawstring in the very back. This is gonna give me a comfortable fit. Make sure you tuck that in. You don't want that swinging everywhere. Gonna apply powder foundation into the parting space just to get that part to pop. Now this wig is glueless, but I will be melting this unit down. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my E-Bend melting spray and just go ahead and temporarily adhere my unit down. So I was just sitting here thinking about what I should do with these little finger coils, and then it just kind of came to me, like, I've had finger coils in my natural hair before, and I have learned to sort of deal with them by gently separating them. So I applied a little gel on my fingers and I am just gently pulling them apart, not to necessarily create frizz, because if you do brush through these coils, it will kind of turn into like a little curly afro. I didn't want that. So again, I applied a little bit of gel to my fingertips and I gently pulled the curls apart. Now this is just going to give you more so of a spiral curl. And then I took my white tooth comb, you can use an Afro pick as well, and I am just gently picking the hair apart to create some volume. And then I started to think to myself, you know, I've worn my hair in a similar style with my natural hair. So I just took a little bit of gel and I brushed the front part down just to kind of get it to look flat. Y'all, I had my natural hair in mind creating this somewhat style, and it kind of came together that way. Gonna do the same thing on the other side, gently picking the hair apart. I went in and I applied some gel just towards the very front of the hairs to where it lays nice and flat. I took one of these little clips and I just clipped it down to where it's just going to stay in place until it dries. I kind of wanted some baby hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush those out, and that is what the hair is looking like. Now, upon somewhat messing around with the hair, I did develop a little bit of frizz. That can be easily resolved just by applying a little bit of water and foamy wrap mousse and just going through each curl individually. I promise you guys this only took a few minutes, didn't take long at all, and pretty much everything came together, and it was somewhat giving me like a fluffy wash and go type of an appearance. So the hair is about 90% dry. You can put a diffuser on it if you want it to be 100% dry. You guys do notice that the very ends of the hair is still shingled, so that is definitely going to preserve the style. I'm just fluffing out the hair with my hands to build some volume. You guys can see this is what the unit looks like from all angles. Now, I didn't really notice the small little curls kind of peeking through. I probably should have gone through and snipped those off, but then again, if I did, I'd be getting rid of the little coils at the end, so I left them as is. So again, this is what the hair looks like. Super duper soft and fluffy. Y'all know me, I am a sucker for pushing the hair behind my ears. You guys can see that front part, how it's just kind of wavy. It looks so natural, like my actual natural hair, and I was so here for it. But again, you guys, this unit does come from Unice. If you guys are interested, I will have all of the links and information provided in the info section below. Be sure to check that out. Y'all definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit. Y'all, I am absolutely loving it. It definitely came together. But y'all, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.